Hello and welcome to Mix Fab Recipes, where we present everything you want to know about sugar-free and low-sugar baking. Delicious, scrumptious bags of flavour. Hello, and today we're going to be making a sugar-free teriyaki chicken with rice. So here are the ingredients you'll need. We'll need some chicken. These are chicken thighs. All I've done is just put them into a container here, and we'll be cooking in later. We have some spring onions. We have salt and pepper for seasoning. We'll need some cloves of garlic, some fresh ginger if you have it, some honey, some sesame oil, chili oil. You don't need this, but it does give it bags of flavour, so yeah, go for it. And some light soy sauce, or you can use dark soy sauce as well. And we also need basmati rice, and optionally some saffron. You see saffron there. You don't need a lot of that. Just gives it lovely colour and a bit of fragrance. First thing we're going to do is cook the rice. I have a steamer here, which I'm going to use to cook the rice. If you don't have a steamer, just a pan is fine. Right, so you just need to measure out the rice. So I use roughly one handful per person. To be more accurate than that, it's about 50 grams per person. So I've meant to do for 2. Right, I'm just going to add some water just to cover the rice. Don't want too much, and that's fine. For that extra goodness, we're just going to add literally a few sprinkles of saffron. Lovely jubbly, and give that a good stir with your finger. Put the lid on. Oh, shoot. And then I'm going to set the timer for 60 minutes. Make sure it's got water in the bottom if you're steaming it. And that's it. Right, we need to crush the garlic and obviously the ginger, and chop the spring onions. I'll do that for the spring onions first. So just chop the tails off or whatever. And I'm just going to those are good. Chop, just use all of that. And I'm just going to put those straight in with the chicken, like that. Right, I've just chopped a cube of ginger off camera. A bit hard to do. I'll probably suss that out in the future videos. And now I'm going to crush the garlic. So what we do is, you just take a knife and just, oops, I'll finish what I did, and just crush it like that, and this just peels off. We just take a knife, crush, and it just peels off like that. And we have a garlic clove. Do the same with the others. Look at that, beautiful. And you can either use a knife to crush it, or I've got one of these little garlic crusher things. So you just back and forwards like this. And then I'm going to just add this into the chicken, like so. Put the next one. And then scrape that into the chicken, like so. then, oops, that can go as well. The harder bit is to do it with the garlic, with the ginger. But it does give it with a bit of elbow grease. But the reward is this ginger. It's lovely. And with the ginger, you want that, but you do not want this stringy bit here. That can just get discarded. So now we just want to add some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper added. And now we want some this is the soy sauce. A good liberal dose of soy sauce. There we go. Now, because we want no sugar, we do want the honey for sweetness. We don't want loads of it. So, literally a teaspoon or two is plenty. That's plenty. I'm going to add some sesame oil for flavour, just a drizzle. And this is chili oil. Now, if you don't have chili oil, you could add chopped chilies, chopped green chili or something, it's fine. But I'm going to add this. I'm going to add a reasonable amount. And then, just give this a stir. Okay, so that's everything prepared. We just want to let the chicken here just marinate for about 20 minutes or so, just like that. And then it's into the oven, 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. That'll cook till the chicken's cooked. I mean, the rice takes about an hour, so that's an hour in total. Right, I'm just going to cover this with foil. Stop it splattering too much. Keep some of the heat in as well. And then into my oven. This is a fan oven, so that's going to go on. That's 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. Right, we're ready to take this out the oven now. It's been an hour in total. It's been in for 40 minutes. Plus, and look at that. Here's the rice. Turn that off. Look at that. So I'm just going to serve up. And there you have teriyaki chicken with rice. Left now, just a taste. That is pretty amazing. Enjoy.